Which bubbles are going to break first, do you think? Is it the stock market if quantitative easing is stopped completely? Is it the housing market? Is it the dollar? Is it student loans? All the above? Where?
Well, if the Fed actually did raise interest rates, then the stock market would crash, the real estate market would crash. We'd have a worse a financial crisis in 2008. But if they don't raise interest rates because they don't want any of that bad stuff to happen, right, or it's actually good stuff in the long run, but it's going to be painful in the short run. But if they want to postpone that pain, then what's going to collapse first is the dollar bubble. In fact, over the past 2 days, the dollar has had its biggest two-day decline in 6 years. And I think the dollar still has a long way to fall, particularly when people figure out that the Fed is not going to raise interest rates, but launch another round of quantitative easing.
Okay, we're out of time, but before I let you go, I got to ask you, I know you're not in the business necessarily of giving advice on television to national TV audience, but, okay, my pillowcase is out. All these bubbles exist. Where do we go with our investments? Gold?
Well, that's one place to go. I mean, I do give advice on television. I mean, that's why I come on television.
Go ahead.
You know, but yeah, I think people should certainly have gold in their portfolio, but they shouldn't own gold to the exclusion of other assets. I think the important thing is to get out of the U.S. dollar, to buy quality dividend-paying stocks in other countries like Singapore, like New Zealand, like Hong Kong, Norway. There are other places in the world where you can invest, where you can get huge currency gains, you can get good dividends and buy real quality assets. But I think the window of opportunity to get out of the dollar is going to shut pretty quickly. So I think if you are serious about doing something to protect your wealth, you should act quickly. I can certainly help. You know, at my brokerage firm, Euro Pacific Capital, Europac.com, we help people diversify out of U.S. dollars into foreign stocks, and we also can help you with your precious metals at my metals company, Shift Gold.
All right, Peter. In other words, don't trust Barack Obama or Janet Yellen as far as you can throw them, I think.